Hi, welcome back to Maxim's Inside Track. We'll kick this one off with whole milk powder. We saw a slight jump on the GDT, up a couple of percent. This was a different direction to what the futures were predicting. Good result for the New Zealand farmers. We saw the front month, so September, off a little bit, but the further months out, November, December, showing some good increases. Been over to New Zealand and the grass growth looks good. Looks like it's going to be a good start to the season. There is some talk around moisture levels in the North Island being a little bit dry-ish. However, it feels like it's going to be a good start to the season over there. The China participation on that GDT was pretty positive, and you know, for this whole milk powder pricing to stay up there, it's going to need continued support from that China market. Yeah, sort of depending on how the season plays out, neutral on whole milk powder for the moment. On to skim milk powder. Now, still hovering around this $2,500 a tonne mark. There is a disparity between EU and Oceania pricing of $200 plus USD, with the European product being at a discount. Has been around these levels for the past sort of since January, February, and feels like a balanced market. A lot of it will hinge on European milk and US milk, both looking pretty balanced at this stage. Probably some more sideways movement for the moment. On to the fat market now, butter and AMF. This pricing's been under pressure, and particularly out of Europe, and we've seen the GDT drift off to sort of try and come back in line with European pricing. Still sitting above it at the moment. Cream pricing out of Europe has firmed and feels like it may have given it a base. Buyers are coming back from their summer holidays in the coming weeks, so it'll be interesting to see what demand that stimulates. Still a tale of two markets, and I think still under a little bit of pressure. On to cheddar now. The US milk was flat for July. Food service demand still extremely strong in the US, and we're still seeing US pricing and Oceania cheese prices at historically really buoyant high levels, with European at a significant discount to that. I feel as though this product in particular out of the US and Oceania will remain relatively firm. Moving on to whey powder and lactose now. This segment does fall into that trade war, currency fluctuations, talk of recessions around the world, and it is starting to come under pressure. I think that swine flu is starting to play out, and demand has decreased. May continue to see these products under pressure for the next little while. Thanks very much, guys, for joining us, and look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks.